I'm starting the process of this painting here because I just wanted to show you that I had a little bit of paint left over from a previous painting, and I didn't want to waste that paint, so I thought why not just start to use it for the background of this large abstract portrait face. Alright, I've got my trusty marker here guys, it's a Uni Posca, and I'm going to use that marker to be able to draw over my initial sketch so that once I start painting I'll be able to see where I'm at and not lose all the symmetry of the face. Now I'll speed up this process, but as you can see I'm just roughly marking out mapping out those parts of the face so that once I start splashing and throwing paint all over the canvas I won't lose myself in the process. Paint left over from when I was rolling a canvas, so I'm going to use that. Just going to use up all the little bits of paint that I've got. Bring my canvas down a little, side, and I'll start just using up some of this black. Christmas tub there, Christmas pudding tub, always handy for your water and other little things like that that get thrown out around the kitchen, always handy. Like I said, we're going to have all sorts of colours going on. Fairly light. Just wish it's got blonde hair in the reference. I'll just make some highlights of that later on. Blend that out to the dark effects there. Right. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Another hot day here in Australia. It's pretty hot out there at the moment. Very, very hot wind. Probably around about 37. Probably going to get to 40 today. Okay, get my reference photo over here so I can see what I'm doing. Right, this is sort of wispy in there. Very, very wispy. Now, like I said, I mightn't have went into detail. I've got myself a little flat, I reckon it's about a 20mm brush, probably 20, maybe 25mm brush. What's that? That's 2.5 centimeters. Maybe an inch brush in other metrics, other measurements. Yeah. Don't know. I might just get rid of that completely. Here now, eh? It's up good. And then there. I'll bring that down again, but anyway, like I said, we're going to go all sorts of different colours. Try and use this black up while I can. Let's come across the camera here a little. Good. Good thing about these brushes too is you can really use the edges for hairlines and things like that. So it's still working, you can see that. I'll see if we can come on this side a little bit. Have a look there. Oh, that's sort of got to bring that hair in. good. We'll probably lighten these off later. You don't want to get too precious with it. And believe me, I tend to get very, very precious with it. So it's at the top here. Oh, she's looking rather, what would you say? Gothic? Is that the word? Excellent, excellent. It actually goes up. Excellent. And we've got some more hair happening here. And because we're just loosely going by the reference, don't feel you have to do, for symmetry and all that, you really do want to try and stick to your lines so that, you know, the eyes don't look out of place, unless you're going to go a real abstract or like a Picasso or something like that, where an eye's here and a nose is up there and the breast or something's down there. But we're not going to go that abstract with this. This is, I guess I haven't got an arts degree, but would it be impressionist? I'm not sure. It's like I said, I don't know all the terms. Yeah. And I might actually. There, quite happy with that so far. Alright, can I bring any more hair out here? Yeah, that looks cute. Oh. I'm loving it, absolutely loving it. Right, because I'm going to also put some white highlights in here. So let's start to fan his hair out. Can we still see it? Can we still see it? Yes, we can. I'm going to bring it down a little bit, but she's starting to come out, as you can see, and become more and more an artwork. So that's fanning out. There. Oh, fantastic. I'm going to use that one up there. Yeah. Get a nice bright one coming out there. So I just want to play the game. Get that a bit more haphazard. So I'm going to really bring some yellows. I reckon some yellows and some blues in through there. Nose is looking a bit weird. I'll get rid of that line, and I'll just come back. But I'm going to paint this all white shortly and give her a little bit more of a skin tone through there. And hopefully this turns out. So you don't see any more of these videos, you know it didn't. Well, that's pretty much so far the roughing in process. And now the next one I'll start to put a little bit more colour into the mix. Okay, like I said, that's the whole thing pretty much blocked out. I'm happy with that. And I could probably just sell that. Believe me, some people do make millions of it. I'm not that lucky. But anyway, I'm looking forward to where this one leads. Happy painting!